Ron Insana is iFi's CEO. Of course, you know him as a CNBC senior analyst and commentator. And Rob Thomas is IBM's chief commercial officer and senior vice president in software. As you see, both are with me here at Post 9. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Good to have you here at the Post.
Good to see you in person, yeah.
iFi AI. Tell me about it. What is it?
It stands for Intelligent Finance.
Okay.
And so there's $6 billion in assets under advisement that our business has used AI tools to create portfolios, to pick stocks, to create asset allocation models. We're transporting with IBM's assistance that very same technology so that individual investors can take a look at as many as 1,000 stocks and ETFs and determine what they're going to do in the next month based on our forecasted models. So we use artificial intelligence to determine these forecasts. And what we've seen is that a lot of investors, whether they're high net worth or whether they're millennial and Gen Z, have been asking generative AI services what stocks they should pick. We're trying to give them a leg up by offering them forecasted rates of return over time, transparency, accuracy, and also degrees of confidence in those forecasts.
So predictive outcomes for what stocks are going to do, research, actual stock selection,
yes,
fundamental, technical analysis, the whole 9 yards?
So through Watson X, all of that is encompassed every day in the millions of bits of information that are taken in that result in a forecast for any individual stock. So if you went on the app and you touched one of the stocks, it would give you a forecasted rated return over 30 days, the degree of confidence the model has that will happen, and the accuracy over time with respect to those forecasts have been made.
This is live now?
It is live now, yeah, absolutely.
How did this partnership come together, and what really is IBM's role in this technology? I guess it is through Watson X.
Yeah, Watson X is embedded into iFi AI. And it started with, we launched Watson X about a year ago, working with many clients around the world. We have a lot of companies coming to us saying, we want to use Watson X to make our product better. So this became an engineering partnership. IBM technology teams working with Ron's team to say, how do we deliver an outstanding user experience and unique insights? We believe AI should augment decision making.
Absolutely.
So it's about how do we look at all this data, collect the data, organize it, and then present recommendations that you can bring to a user or to a wealth advisor.
So I love the word augment rather than replace. In terms of one of my first thoughts, obviously, was, well, what does this mean for the traditional advisor?
Well, so we have a tool for individual investors who are self-directed traders, investors. We have coming within the next month a tool for advisors that will allow them access to portfolio construction tools, asset allocation models, model portfolios, and the entire industry is moving in this direction, Scott, where the less time they spend worrying about the investment process, the more time they are free to build their businesses by dealing with existing clients or prospecting for new ones. So we're really giving them additional tools, as we are self-directed individual investors and traders, in making all those decisions and putting together their portfolios or their single stock selections.
I'm also thinking about, as we move to a more democratized investing world, it does have the possibility of removing the so-called expert or the advisor out of the equation in some sense, where maybe the individual investor tries to do this on their own with the help of the Watson, powered platform that you have. How should I think about that?
You should think about it as an assist. We're not making recommendations. We're not making decisions for people. We're giving them the tools with which to make better decisions. We're going to have multiple periods in which these forecasts are made. 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, out to 1 year. So if you're trading zero-date single stock options, you'll be able to look at the app or the website and determine what stock is going to do, what an individual stock will do over the course of a day, a week, or a month, and trade accordingly or invest accordingly. It's not really going to replace anything because we're not telling people what to do. We're really offering them an assist. And with IBM's powerful engines they have, where we're running millions of bits of data through Watson X every single day. It's just more information than any single individual or advisor can take in on their own.